Today we are learning the conic section's circles. This time we will be transforming standard form to general form. First, make sure you are familiar with the two forms of a circle. The first one is the standard or the center radius form, and that is x minus h square plus y minus k square is equal to r square, where r is equal to the radius and the coordinates h and k are equal to the circle center. On the other hand, the general form of a circle is x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0, and d, e, and f here are constants. Question number 1. X minus 16 squared plus y minus 6 squared is equal to 1. Remember that in general form, all the terms should be on the left side and equal to 0. So for this problem, we need to simplify the square of binomial and then combining like terms. Can you still recall how to square of binomial? First step is to square the first term. Second step, multiply the first and the second and then double. And third, square the second term. We will use that concept in today's lesson. So to square x minus 16 squared, we need to square the first term, that is x squared. We need to multiply x times negative 16, which is negative 16x, and then double, so we have negative 32x. Next, square the second term, negative 16 to the second power is 256 positive. Now we simplify y minus 6 to the second power. Square the first term, we have y squared. Multiply y and negative 6, that's negative 6y. Double it, we have negative 12y. And then square negative 6, that gives us plus 36. And now I will transfer 1 over to the left. That becomes now minus 1 equals 0. Again, take note that we have x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. So we will write first the x squared, followed by the y squared. Next, we have negative 32x, followed by minus 12y. And then we will combine 256 plus 36 minus 1. 256 plus 36 is 292. 292 minus 1 is 291. So we have plus 291 is equal to 0. This is the equivalent general form. Question number 2. X squared plus y minus 1 squared is equal to 4. So to simplify this, I will copy first x squared, and then we will square y minus 1. So square the first term, which is y squared. Multiply y and negative 1, and then double. So we have minus 2y. Square the second term. That's negative 1 to the second power, that's plus 1. And we will transfer positive 4 to the left. That becomes minus 4 equals 0. Now, simplifying this further, write down x squared plus y squared minus 2y. And we will combine positive 1 and negative 4, which is minus 3. So we have minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the equivalent general form. Question number 3. X minus 3 squared plus y plus 2 squared is equal to 16. Let's begin simplifying x minus 3 squared. Square the first term, we have x squared. Multiply x and negative 3 and then double, that's minus 6x. Negative 3 squared, that's plus 9. Now let's simplify y plus 2 squared. Square the first term, y squared. Multiply y and 2 and then double, that's 4y. Square the second term, we have plus 4. And we move 16 to the left, that becomes minus 16 is equal to 0. Now let's arrange the terms. We will begin with x squared, followed by y squared. Then we have negative 6x, followed by 4y. And we combine the constants. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 minus 16 is negative 3. So we have minus 3 is equal to 0. Now it is your turn to try out this problem. You may pause the video and play whenever you're ready for the solutions. Question number 4. X squared plus y plus 2 squared is equal to 121. So let's begin with writing down the x squared. And now we need to square y plus 2. Square the first term y, so we have y squared. Multiply y and 2 and then double. That's plus 4y. Square the second term 2, that's 4. And then we transfer 121 over to the left. That is minus 121 is equal to 0. Simplifying this further, we have copy x squared, y squared, 4y, and combine 4 and negative 121. So that's minus 117 is equal to 0. This is the general form. Question number 5. X plus 5 squared plus y plus 7 squared is equal to 36. Let's begin squaring the binomial x plus 5. Square the first term x, we have x squared. Multiply x times 5 and then double, we have plus 10x. Square the second term 5, that's 25. Now let's square the second binomial y plus 7. Square the first term, we have y squared. Multiply y and 7 and double, we have plus 14y. Square the second term 7, that is 49. And then transfer 36 over to the left, so we have minus 36 is equal to 0. Rearranging the terms and combining like terms, we will have first x squared plus y squared, followed by 10x and plus 14y. Now we will combine the constants. 25 plus 49 is 74. 74 minus 36 is positive 38. So the general form is x squared plus y squared plus 10x plus 14y plus 38 is equal to 0. Now let's have question number 6. X plus 5 to the second power plus y minus 10 to the second power is equal to 9. First, let us square the binomial x plus 5. Square the first term, we have x squared. Next, multiply x and 5 and double, we have plus 10x. Square the second term 5, that's 25. And now we will square the second binomial, y minus 10. Square the first term, we have y squared. Multiply y and negative 10 and then double, we have minus 20y. Square the second term, negative 10, that's 100. And transfer 9 to the left, that's now minus 9 is equal to 0. Rearranging the terms and combining like terms, we have, let's have first x squared plus y squared, followed by 10x and negative 20y. And then we combine the constants. 25 plus 100 is 125. 125 minus 9 is 116. So we have plus 116 is equal to 0. The general form is x squared plus y squared plus 10x minus 20y plus 116 is equal to 0. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel at Celzo Academy.